Hello and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices. Today we're going to learn how to create an invoice with Wix. But just a heads up, in order to accept payments from clients and Wix invoices, you must set up a payment method. If you've already set up a payment method for your Wix site, then you won't need to set one up again. And with that out of the way, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Invoices. Click on Create New and select Invoice. Here, indicate the issue date, but it will automatically be today's date, and set your due date. The information displayed here will automatically be taken from your business info. So when you first created your site, of course, you had to input your business info. So that one's going to show up over here. If not, you can update your business info on settings here on your site's dashboard. Anyway, let's move on. On this dropdown, select the customer you're creating this invoice for. If this customer previously has a record on your website, it'll show up here on the dropdown. However, if it's a new customer, click on New Customer here, and on this new window, input this new customer's details. And once you're done creating their contact, make sure to review all of their information to ensure that everything's correct. And once everything's ready, click on Save to save your new contact. And that person will automatically be selected. The customer's email, billing address, and phone number will also automatically reflect on these fields. And give your invoice a title. All right, so let's move on to the products or services section. So on this drop-down, select the product or the services you'd like to charge this person. Indicate the quantity, the price, and if you'd like to add the tax, this is where you can set it up. If you want to add more items, click on Add Line Item here and add another service. Basically, just repeat the process and double check to see if you've input the correct product or service the customer should be charged for. Once you're done with that, and once you're done reviewing, you can then move on to the notes section where you can enter additional notes for your customers as well as terms. Once you're done, go back to the very top and review everything once more. It's essential to ensure there are no mistakes. Once done and ready, go back to the top and then you can select options on what you want to do. You can save and close it. You can collect payment with it, such as to charge with credit card or to record payment. And you can also send the invoice. If you choose to send it, a pop-up will appear. So go ahead and click on Send Email for the customer to receive it via email. And you should see its status right over here. And that's it. That's how you create an invoice on your Wix site. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.